Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making slow cooker cheeseburger soup. The ingredients that we're going to need today are low sodium chicken broth, black pepper, all-purpose flour, parsley flakes, salt, half and half, ground beef, potatoes, carrots, celery, onion, garlic cloves, and also shredded cheddar cheese. Okay, I have all my ingredients measured out. So we're going to need 4 cups of the low sodium chicken broth, 1 pound of ground beef, 2 large garlic cloves minced, 1/2 of an onion diced, 2 carrots chopped, 1 rib of celery chopped, 2 large potatoes cut into 1/2 inch pieces, and make sure you peel them. Also 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 cup of half and half, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. If you don't have that, you can use 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and also 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. Okay guys, in a frying pan over medium-high heat, we're going to place our ground beef. Next, I'm just going to go in and break it apart. Now to the ground beef, we're going to add our onion. What we're going to do is mix it in until it's well combined, and we're going to cook the ground beef until it's brown. Okay, once your ground beef is brown, we're going to go ahead and add in our minced garlic, and we're going to let that cook in with it for 1 minute. Mix until well combined. Now we're going to remove our ground beef. We're going to drain it of any excess grease. Okay guys, so I have my slow cooker. We're going to go ahead and add our ground beef in. Then we're going to add our potatoes. Oops, sorry about that guys. We're going to add our carrots, our celery. Now we're going to add our 4 cups of chicken broth. Our salt, our parsley flakes, and also our black pepper. Now we're going to go in and give that a good mix. Make sure everything is well combined. Okay, now we're going to close our lid. Okay guys, we're going to go ahead and put it on 3 hours and on high. Okay guys, after the 3 hours is up, we're just going to mix everything once again. Now I mix my half and half with my flour. All you want to do is whisk that until it's well combined. And now all I'm going to do is pour that in. And we're just going to give that a good stir. And we're going to put our lid back on. And we're going to set our slow cooker to high. And we're going to cook it for 1 more hour. Okay guys, after your hour is up, we're going to go ahead and stir that. As you can see, it's thickened up some. So now all we're going to do is put our cheddar cheese in. And guys, you want to set your slow cooker to the warm setting. Now all you do is mix it. And we're going to let that melt. And as it sits, it will thicken a little more. Okay guys, so here we have it, slow cooker cheeseburger soup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.